Hello traders, today I'm trading on Quotex broker and growing this account which was started with only $10. The previous videos show how this account was started and you can watch them on the channel. The candle time frame is 15 seconds and the trade expiry time is 1 minute. The moving average period is 50 and the type is WMA. The stochastic oscillator K period is 14 and the D period is 1 because it is not used. The smoothing period is 4 and the overbought line is at 82 and the oversold line is at 13. Get the link to Quotex broker in the video description and the link to our Telegram signals. Today I'm aiming to grow the account to $1,000 with this easy strategy, and I will explain my entry point techniques so you can do the same and make profit on Quotex broker. The trade on the screen is a call option trade and the entry point is not the best, but I'm sure the trades will close with absolute profit. When the market goes above the overbought line as indicated by the stochastic oscillator and keep going upward indicates the buying pressure is still strong. When the candles are above the 50-period moving average indicator, then the market is in an uptrend and that makes it good for call option trades. Let's wait for the market to play out. The market did not play out great, but we made profit. This is a very good moment for put option trades as the market is in a strong downward trend as indicated by the moving average indicator. The stochastic oscillator have gone to the overbought condition and it indicates the market reversal, giving a strong sell signal. Let's see how the trades will play out in 1 minute's time. All the call option trades closed with absolute profit and the entry point was good. Here the market is going upward with strong momentum and the stochastic oscillator have also leave the oversold condition upward, making a good call option trade entry point. The entry point was the worst and we lost the trades. Here is a good moment for put option trades and am placing 2 put option trades as the stochastic oscillator is leaving the overbought condition downward, giving a good sell signal. The market played out well and closed the trades with absolute profit. This is all for today, and subscribe for more trading content like this and ways to make money online. We have a Telegram channel and send out binary options signals there for free, and the link is in the video description. Check out other videos from our channel and learn more about binary trading.